Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again, guys. I'm pretty excited. I guess this is we're like any other family. We got busy days, but we ain't got time to do a lot of meal prep, a lot of stuff going on. We're doing what a lot of you guys do. We're doing a crock pot meal. I got some chicken gravy. We're gonna prep up in the crock pot all day, and we're gonna serve it over a bed of noodles later on tonight. It's gonna be delicious. Let me show you what we're doing. Alright, here is the lineup. I got 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I trimmed most of the fat off. Whatever's on there will be just fine. I got a bag of no yolk noodles we're going to prepare later on to serve it on. And I got 2 packs of just McCormick's chicken gravy. Use whatever brand you want. And I've also got a can of cream of chicken soup. And that's all we're doing. It's going to make this whole meal. Guys, for starters, I'm just gonna come in here and add a little seasoning to the chicken. This is some garlic powder. I'm just gonna hit up just a little bit on each side. And a little black pepper. I'm not using any salt at this phase, just because I believe that gravy mix has a fair amount. Probably that soup does too. If I need to add some salt at the end, I will. We'll just repeat the process on the other side. And some pepper. Alright, go ahead and get our chicken on in here. I think it's smaller. Well, maybe not. I think we'll be alright. This is a 4-quart crock pot, smaller one than I usually use. So I think we're going to be just fine though. Okay, we're going to come in with 1 pack of our chicken gravy mix. 2nd pack. And a can of our cream of chicken. Get all that in there. And lastly, 2 cups of water. Give us a little bit of a mix in there. We'll mix it up the rest of the way when we're done. Let's put a lid on here. Guys, we're going to turn this to low. We'll check back in about 4 or 5 hours just to see if our chicken's done. Unlike beef or pork, where we need to get those temperatures up around 200 for it to meat to fall apart and break down, chicken is much different. You just need to get it to done. So we're looking for about 165 to 170 degrees internal for chicken, then we'll pull it. So you don't have to go as high as some of the other meats. Alright guys, it's been about 4.5 hours and we are done. I actually turned this down to warm. The chicken is done. Look at 180 there. Check this other piece over here. 180 there. We're going to get this out of here and get this shredded and get it back in the pot. I did move this from the center island in my kitchen over here on the side just to give me more room over the last few hours. I hope the lighting is okay. Alright guys, just gonna get this shredded up. You can make it as fine or as chunky as you want. I typically get a little mixture of both. I have started a pot of water so we can go ahead and get our noodles going. Smells amazing, and I can't wait. Alright guys, let's just get this right back on into the pot. And that plate is hot. Alright guys, we're gonna let this fall in low. When our noodles are done, we should be ready to plate up. Alright, I have tasted the gravy over here. It's a little thinner than what I want, so I got the lid off and I brought it up to high to see if I could steam it up, get it just slightly thicker. It's okay though. But I tasted it. It does not need any salt, but I can't pass up a chance to season my noodles. So I'm adding just a little salt to our boiling water. Not a whole lot. This is probably too much, but I'm just going to go on in with our bag of noodles. Boil it till it's done. I guess looking good here. Let me get this drained. We're going to get Mama fed as usual, and we'll come back and make us a plate and give her a taste. Alright guys, let's see how this goes. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I have not made this dish before. I've seen it online and just wanted to give it a try. I've seen several people using noodles. I've seen several people using mashed potatoes. And even rice. I kind of thought the noodles would be really good. So we'll find out. Look at that. Next time I will probably use less water. Just to be fair. Get that gravy a little thicker. But I do want some gravy on here. What say you? That looks good to me. Smells really good. Let's get a bite of that. Oh guys, it got warm in this kitchen today. Tell you what. It warmed up today and I'm too cheap to turn on the air just yet, so I'm trying to hold out. So bear with me guys. We're still in early spring, I think. Or is it officially spring? I don't even know. Good taste of this. The flavor is there, guys. Sauce is good. Chicken's real tender. Next time I will do less water in this recipe. Maybe get a little thicker gravy. Oh my god, I can't quit eating. I might use the extra broad egg noodle next time too. But all of these they're good. I just forgot I should have bought the extra wide or extra broad noodles. That's okay. Everything's good. Guys, thank you. Listen gets, and I'm gonna grade this one a good B+. Only because I made a few mistakes, rookie mistakes, and I could have had a little thicker gravy. The flavor's there, I'm not worried about it. We'll learn from this and go on to the next one. Nailed the flavor. It's all good. Of course, it's real easy. Just use I'll be honest, I really didn't have directions. I just seen the ingredients, and I kind of took it from there. So, so it turned out really well. If I had some green olives, if I had some green onions, I'd have probably garnished it with that and add a little extra flavor there. But I didn't, so I don't have it. So either way, thank you so much as always, and I love doing these videos. We're gonna be back outside soon. The weather is starting to break, so we got all this weather and high winds out of the area. I'll get back outside and show you some new stuff we got. So guys, thank you as always, and I will see you on the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye. Cheers to you.